In this video, I want to show you how to fix a black screen on your iPhone 16e. If no matter what you're doing, if you press the power button, nothing is reacting, well, I will offer you a few different tips. The first thing you can try, and it only takes 30 seconds, is to press a sequence of buttons. So you need to press quickly, volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until the Apple logo comes on the display. Everything again needs to be done quickly, if not it will not work. Let me demonstrate. Volume up, volume down, and I keep press the power button until I see the Apple logo appearing on the display. Then I can release it and wait until the iPhone 16e boots up. Fortunately, this will solve your problem. Leave a comment if this was the issue and this was the fix. Now, if you're still not capable to power on your iPhone, what I suggest is that you try charging your phone using another charger than the one that you're usually using. So if you have a friend around, a family member that can borrow their charger that is working, that you have tested and working with their device, take it, plug it, and plug your iPhone to this new charger and cable. And well, now my iPhone is working, but let's pretend it's not working. Let it charge during at least 2 to 3 hours. And after 2 to 3 hours, take it without removing the charger and do the same trick I just showed you. Volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until the Apple logo appears on the display. Sometimes the issue is that your current charger or cable is broken. It's not working. And the battery of your iPhone 16e is depleted. And although you think your phone is charged, it is not. The battery is at 0%, and that's why you get a black screen. I really hope my video fixed your problem. Again, if you have any other tips, leave a comment down below. I'm sure it will be helpful for somebody. Leave a like if one of these tips work, and I'll see you in the next video.